Hi guys, so today I'm making a chocolate lava cake. I hope you enjoy this video because it is a really delicious cake. So I have all the ingredients in front of me, and there's a lot of ingredients I can tell you. So we're going to get started, and so give me a great big thumbs up and let's get started. All of the ingredients together until it is nice and smooth. You're going to grease your pan, your donut pan, and with a little bit of butter. I have greased my pan and now I put all the dough in my pan. And so I'm gonna put it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes and then let cool and then drizzle chocolate over. I've taken my cake out of the pan to let it get nice and cool, and we're gonna make the chocolate now. And so, yeah, let's get to it. So I'm just gonna put everything in right away. So I have one stick of butter in here, and I was just melting it a little bit. And I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of cream. Nice together. Okay, I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And 1.5 cup of sugar. And then yes, 1/4 cup of cocoa. And you're going to get this nice and smoothened. So you're just gonna pour the chocolate over the cake. Okay, we will be tasting our lava cake. Hope you like this video.